How do you rent a car here in Mexico? In this video, I will be giving you the process and deets that you need to know. So sit down and let's go. Vamos pues. Hey guys, it's your boy YiNkZZ, your travel guide currently based in Mexico. If you're renting a car, I am assuming that you're going to be exploring Mexico or trying to explore Mexico and not really going to a resort, because typically resorts already have transportation taken care of for you. So you're the latter, and you're the types of travelers that actually love seeing. I'm not against resort traveling, but I love when people are going out to explore the local country that you're visiting. First things to know is, for instance, if you're landing in Cancun and you're going to Tulum, I personally recommend not getting a car rental from Cancun airport. I am against it. I think you shouldn't do it. I think there's scams. I am not trying to spoil the business, but I'm just giving you tips. Of course, if that's all you have to do, then it's what you gotta do. If you're trying to avoid the hefty fees and everything, then absolutely take an ADO bus, which is an ADO bus, all the way to Tulum. No, it doesn't matter how many luggages you have. There's direct buses there. For whatever reason, if your bus comes too late, or you have to wait a few hours to get to Tulum, you could also take the ADO bus to Playa del Carmen, and then from Playa del Carmen there's buses more frequently going to Tulum. And so usually there's a bus going from the airport to Playa del Carmen, I believe every hour if I'm not mistaken. I'll put it here on the screen so you could see it. I recommend doing that. Then after you arrive and do all your business, you can then go to, say you're in Tulum, find local places in Tulum. I have a go-to spot in Tulum. It's called Hertz. If you're there, you're looking for someone, look for my boy Christian. He's got you. Just tell him from Yinka. He'll give you the YiNkZZ deal. Make sure you hit him up. And from there, really, it's usually cheaper. You do not have to have insurance. Hertz is pretty simple and good and straight to the point. They have good cars, and they're typically, I've not had any issues with Hertz at all. I've had issues with Europcar in Cancun and things like that. So main things you need to have is your license and your ID and a credit card. Those three documents you need handy. License, because you need to have a legal license to be able to drive in Mexico. Your ID, they need to have your information to be able to get your deets. And then credit card, this is what you're going to use to do a down payment. Now be aware, you're going to have to pay a larger fees down payment. So let's say the car rental is for 1,000 pesos. You might actually have to pay down 6,000 pesos in deposit. So make sure that your credit card has more money in there to be able to drop the down payment fee. Now, one of the things I always encourage is that have a credit card that has travel insurance. So if you get one of those Chase cards or one of those Amex cards, just check it before getting those credit cards. Typically, they have good insurance that actually even gives you auto insurance, so you don't have to even get the insurance from them at the rental company. The last time I was in Cancun, I had so much stress with Europcar. It's just too stressful, and it didn't have to be that. Like, we're arguing, it was like because of COVID I have to get the insurance through them. No, you don't have to get any insurance through them. They could give you a car without insurance because your credit card already gives you insurance. So you just need to know how to talk to them. In Tulum, with Hertz, I've not had to deal with any issues. I just tell them, no thank you, I'm good. Get my car. They do everything. Also, it's Mexico, so do not be in a rush. If you're going to try and get your car for 8 o'clock, just know you need to be there in advance, like way earlier. Like, go there 7:30ish, because you ain't gonna get your car at 8 o'clock, but go there early to camp out and get them. Hey, hurry, we need to go, but stay cool, enjoy yourself. Sense of urgency in Mexico is a little different, and it's not as fast-paced as it would be in most other westernized countries. So just be aware of that. Just giving you those little tips. When you are getting the car, once they give you the car key and everything, please do this. Walk around the whole place and record with the video the car. Record the inside if you can, but mostly record the outside. make sure there's no scratches. If there's scratches, just walk around and record every little thing that you can record. Those videos will save your butt. Yes, it will, because sometimes even you park your car and you see a scratch you didn't see before, you could go check the video to see if that scratch was there before. Because these car companies, insurance companies will try, or rental companies will try to hold you accountable for it. So make sure that's the most important thing. If there's anything you do or pick up from this video, make sure that you record walking around the whole car, tires, everything, top, car, bottom, everything around the car. Yes, record it, because that's your evidence, that's your proof. That's the biggest thing I want you to take out from this video right now, is doing that. Afterwards, sometimes the company might also record some things. So gas levels, take a picture of it, so you return the car with the same gas levels, and go out, have fun with the car. Make sure you take care of the car like it's yours, maintain it properly. Sometimes you might get an accident, there's nothing you can do about that. If you have an accident, make sure that you get all the information properly and you file it with your credit card when you get back to the States or wherever country you're coming from, so that way they could try and deal with all of the issues. But then at that point, of course, your credit card would have been charged. So that's things to just be aware of. And bring the car back in good hands, clean, whatever. It doesn't have to be clean, but that there's no additional scratches and they gave it to you, enjoy it. And that's the process, guys. It's quite simple, it's easy and straightforward. If you have any questions about renting a car in Mexico in general, drop them down below. I will respond as much as I can. And that's the information I have for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, share this video with a friend coming out here that needs to rent a car. And don't forget that you can make a difference in this world. Be a light. Till next time, guys, peace out.